Hello and welcome to the Tractor Barn, well actually welcome to the Tractor Barn greenhouse. It's a little bit different, it's not the office, it's the greenhouse. So yeah, so it might look a bit funny or sound might be a bit different, but it is because we're in a greenhouse and it's a bit windy outside. But anyway, we'll continue with the classic farming series on the Tractor Barn YouTube channel. So please like and subscribe if you enjoy this and any other things we put on. We upload this every Saturday morning, and we put other videos on during the week as well. So please, like I say, give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and it certainly helps us. So we're on the 20th of July 2002, and we catch a Deutz-Fahr M36.40 cutting some rape. Now these Deutz-Fahr combines, actually there was quite a few around this area, sort of early 2000s, late 1990s. Seemed to be quite a popular combine, the Deutz-Fahr range was, but now obviously we don't, well I don't think we see a Deutz-Fahr combine anywhere now, to be honest, but back in the day they were quite popular. So yeah, as I said, it's cutting some rape. There's a Lamborghini 115 on a Griffiths trailer waiting on the headland to catch the rape. We then move on to see a Massey Ferguson 4270 on a RP200 Lely Welger Baler, baling some straw up. And then we see quite a rare tractor again around here. This is the only one I knew of. A Hurlimann H-6190 Master on some dual wheels mole plough with a Micheal Moore's mole plough. Again. Always nice to see something different, and this certainly was different, and quite a nice long tractor, I must say. It has a certain look about it. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.